Good morning.
So, as I said, today we are going to see the questions related to heredity. So, by yesterday's heredity concepts, whatever it is there, it is over. Now, again, two more definitions alone I want to say you. The two more definitions also, just it's not necessary, but if you are interested, you can remember. That is what is a type of inheritance. So, the inheritance, like characteristics, the traits, what we are getting from our parents, there will be two types of traits what we are getting. That is what acquired and inherited traits. So just I am saying you the casual meaning, but it is not there. So after that, we'll proceed. So one is acquired traits, and another one is inherited traits. So meaning itself, like word itself, it will says about the meaning. So remember, acquired traits means because of environmental changes in our surroundings after your birth. Suppose a rat, you all people know rat, everyone, how many of you know rat? So rat, due to some accidents or due to some incidents, the tail of the rat may be lost. Means the rat may lose its tail. Does it mean that the suppose the rat will give the birth to the babies? Is that the offsprings are getting without tail? Anybody? Or the offsprings are getting as usual the tail? Please respond. That is what
It
is my
will get
question. Yes.
a
Offsprings will get the tail or not? Please respond, guys. A mother lost the tail because of some incident. Is the offsprings will get the tail or not? All of you?
They will get it.
They will get it. So it is not depend on mothers. It is. So because of some external factors, mother lost the tail, but the babies will get the as usual the tail is normal. So a characteristic or a trait of an organism which is developed in response to the change in external environment. Change in external environment. That is what we used to call it as a acquired trait. Do you understand, everybody? All of you, please respond. So it is not coming through the reproduction. So you remember whatever the characters coming because of our surroundings changes, we are adjusting. Suppose suddenly you born in India, you went to America. There is no kind of sambar, there is no idli, only how to eat burger or whatever it is, maida based foods. That is what is acquired trait. Because of change in external environment, your habitual life is changing. That is, we used to call it as a acquired trait. Do you understand, everybody, what I'm saying? So next, inherited traits. So all the traits that passes from one generations to the next generation through DNA. So through the genes, through the chromosome, whatever it is passing from your parents to the offspring, that is what? In a germ cells, through DNA in germ cells. What is the germ cells we have? Male sex cells, and another one is what? Everybody. Female sex cells, germ cells. Germ cells also known as sex cells. So that is what we used to call it as a inherited traits. The traits which are coming from parents through the DNA is called it as a inherited traits. I hope you all understand, everybody. So just these meanings alone you have to remember. So other than that, that's fine. So there is not required anything also. So now let us see the 5 more questions, how it will be. So this is the Bangalore Sahodaya last year paper actually. So these are the more standard papers, but of course board exam papers also I will give you today's practice. I'll give you again when time permits. We'll definitely will do. So now if you notice it here, in this there will be a question. You can all can see. Always there is a 5 more question related to that, and of course 1 more question also there. So 1 minute. Yes. You all can see that. Have you seen the 35 question, all of you? Please see that. So this is the figure you notice in the heredity chapter at the beginning. Have you checked it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if you observe very carefully here, so this figure, the figure is there in the first. You can see people will think that this figure does not have any importance. But that figure, can you tell me it is a sexual reproduction or asexual reproduction? Anybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Asexual reproduction. That is what is very, very important. So that is the first question. All of you read the first question. Everybody make it quick. So what they're asking, see that figure is representing what? That is what is the question. Am I right, everyone? Yes or no? So what is representing? Make it quick. All of you? What is representing? First one. Write it, answer. That is what they're saying it. So first it is representing what? Asexual reproduction. And asexual reproduction also, it is following actually, if you notice it. Name an organism that reproduces by the above method. Anybody?
Bacteria.
Yes, bacteria. So that is what you have to write it. Okay. So please mark it and write. I will show you that also. You can take. So you can, what is the examples you can take? Bacteria. Or you can notice, basically, Hari, all of you observe very carefully. So 1 become 2, division. Again 1 become 2, 1 become 2. So like that it is keep on going. 1 become 2, 1 become 2. There is a method, 1 become 2. There is a name particularly we used to call asexual reproduction method. Anybody? There is a name, call it as asexual reproduction. Please speak. Everybody. Teriyada? So it is a asexual reproduction method. So what is the particularly what we used to call everybody? Binary.
Binary fission.
Binary fission. Understanding? That is what. Next. Name an organism that reproduces by the above method. Many examples we have there. So binary fission, what is the examples, guys? Anybody? Binary fission. Yes. Amoeba, paramecium. Other examples I have given. Leishmania. Leishmania causes what fever? Leishmania causes Kalasar, black fever, amoeba. There is another one, euglena. So this all will undergoes binary fission, asexual reproduction. Next, second question. Write one advantage and one disadvantage of the above mode of reproduction. Anybody? What is the advantage of that one? Advantage.
So you can create exact copies of the parent.
Yes, that is what minimal variations. So we can make the exact copies of offsprings and also large number of offsprings at a rapid rate. That is the advantage. We can produce in a bulk because asexual reproduction does not require a time lapse. It is a very less period of time. So it will take very fast. It will be finished. So that is why. So that is the advantage. What is the disadvantage? DNA copying exactly cannot be takes place. So that what will happen? Everyone, there is a errors in a DNA copying. Understanding? So small errors. So it will leads to what, guys? Light variations during the copying. That is the disadvantages. Next, organism in second and third row. Organism in second and third row, they are similar, but subtly. This is the word you found in NCERT. I think many of you, those who read the NCERT, they may be fine. Subtly word. Have you found it, guys? Everybody? Yes. The option is noted, Harry. Yeah, subtly. Subtly means what? Unnoticeable changes. So different from each other. So give reasons. So that is what they're asking. So anybody? So organism 2 and 3. So what is that? All of you. Organism in second row and third row are similar and subtly different from each other. Give reasons. So what is the reason exactly? Because of DNA. Yes, please. DNA copying. Do you understand? So if you observe very carefully, all of you, so DNA copying is minimum. So that DNA due to copying of DNA, so there is a slight variation, error, DNA error, DNA copying error. That is the reason it will leads to. What is the disadvantage, everybody? Write one advantage. What is the advantage? We can produce in a what? Bulk. Do you understand? So more number of species can be produced. And what is the disadvantage? Everybody, minimum variation. So yeah, minimum variations in the asexual reproduction. So organism in second and third row, they are similar, but subtly they are different each other. So because of what? DNA copying. I have taught you or not, everybody. So DNA copying, there is a slight error. Exact copy of DNA won't be takes place. There will be a small variation. That variation only leads to there is a difference in the second row and the third row. So that is what you have to remember. Next, are these differences beneficial for the species? Justify your answer. Is it beneficial? Anybody? The minimum variations, is it beneficial for the organism or not? Yes or no? This question even board exam came. Yes or no? Please respond. All of you. Yes, guys? Yes, it is beneficial because what? It will become an advantage for what purpose? Surviving the organism. Am I right or wrong? So if there is a variation, so if there is a drastic variation, what will happen? All the organisms will be wiped out. But if there is a slight variation, it will leads to help the organism for the surviving. Am I right or wrong? Please respond, guys. That is what. So you can see that even that paragraph, they are generating the 5-mark question in that. So the picture based, basically people will never consider it is the picture having any importance. But they see that is what it is ability people can generate a question from that. Now let us take next one. So this is this year. Have you understand everybody? Clear everybody this question? Any problem for anyone? Understand, Amma? Girls? And now this is a replacement of alternative question. That's fine. This we will study. So I will give you this all. So now recently they released the sample papers. You might be knows I have sent you also. So this sample paper, what they're speaking and how it will be, you can see that. So this is the question which is released last 10-15 days before. So all of you observe very carefully. Ram and Asha were a married couple. They had 4 children. One of these children had sickle cell anemia, whereas the other 4 children did not show symptoms. Ram and Asha did not show symptoms of sickle cell anemia. So the trade for sickle cell anemia is not linked to the sex chromosome. It's not linked to the sex chromosome. So now, is this disease caused by a dominant or recessive trait? That is the first question. Why? Next, if the child that had sickle cell anemia got married to a person without a mutation in the sickle cell anemia gene, what percentage of their children would have sickle cell anemia? Show the cross. So you can see that how much tough they are asking the question. Now, or else you can see, identify the genetic composition of the sickle cell anemia trait in Asha and Ram and use that to predict the genetic composition in the other 4 children who did not show symptoms that Ram and Asha had. So it is related to a disease. So parents, they do not have a disease, but they are having totally how many children? Everybody? Yes, please. They have totally 4 children. And one it is showing the disease and remaining and all they do not have any chromosome. So imagine it is a 4-mark question. Now they are asking first. Please all of you understand the question and then only I will say what is your expected answer. Then I will proceed. Make it quick everybody. Do it fast. All of you read the question first. I'm giving you the chance. Then only I will proceed. Make it quick. So what you are saying? Everybody? What is your expected? Mitakshri? Harish? All of you try. See, imagine like these questions, one question is sufficient so that you all can stuck. That's all it is. So always heredity questions will be like this only. So now what you are expecting? Anybody? Yes, please. Now first thing respond. How many children they have? Anybody? How many children they have?
4 children.
4 children. Okay. So now, if they have a 4 children, if it is a dominant one, so first logic you tell me, if anything is a dominant one, it will be appear in more number of children or less number of children, like more number of offsprings or less number of offsprings, everybody. Don't think question is very tough. Generally, you tell me, is it appears to be more number of children or less number of children? If it is a dominant one, please respond.
More number of children.
For example, let me consider something. Father is a some father is a, let me take capital FF. Mother is a small FF. Okay, they are pure. Let me take. Now, if they have been crossed, so definitely we'll get capital F, small f, capital F, small f, capital F, small f, capital F, small m in first generation. Now, if I cross these two, next generation again I will get what? Capital F, small f, sorry, capital F, small f, capital F, small f, and small f and small f. Now, this is very, very important. You can take anything, your choice, alphabets also, I'm saying. Now, so you can see they have a four children totally. Means definitely parents are F1 generation. Am I right, guys? Will you all agree with me, Harish? So F1 generation parents, and they are getting a 4 children. In that one only getting the character. Remaining 3 they are not getting. Remaining 3 they are not affecting. So now you tell me, one is only showing, means it is recessive or dominant. Anybody can tell? If it is a dominant, please respond. If it is a dominant, it should appears to be more than 1 children or only 1 children. Everyone?
More than 1 children.
4 children. If it is a dominant one, majority of the children will affect. Am I right or wrong? All of you? Yes, please. That is the reason it is did not show symptoms. Ram and Asha also did not show symptoms of a sickle. Means they are definitely they are a parental generation or F1 crossing. Everybody, they are? Please respond. They are what, guys? F1 crossing. Do you understand now? Please respond, everybody. So I identified that they are F1 crossing. Sir, how, sir? Anybody having question? Omar, do you have a doubt? How it will be F1 crossing? Because if they are a pure, definitely mother is having that recessive. Am I right or wrong? Mother and father, anyone is having anemia. If a children also will get the anemia. But mother and father does not show. Mother and father does not show means they do not have a recessive one. They are having a dominant one only. So both are actually F1 generation parents. And then the children are getting, they are crossing the children, and they are actually one of them is showing the characters. So definitely, is this disease caused by a dominant or recessive trait? Everybody, it is a dominant or recessive? It is a recessive. Why? What is the reason? Anybody can tell? What is the reason?
Only one child of the
Yes, only one child is affected with that. Means definitely, if it is the dominant one, more than one children should get it. Am I right, everybody? Yes, please. All of you? Are you clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is what you have to remember. Now, next question is very important. So you can fix it. If the child that had a sickle cell, so actually they are using a sickle cell. So let me use yes. That is the letter I have to choose. Is it okay? Swadan, Mr. Johan, Kaushik, I am
Yes,
choosing a sickle cell, so I am choosing a yes. So now yes, sickle cell anemia. It is a small SS or capital SS. Everybody. Small SS or capital SS. It is a recessive. It is a recessive character. We identify already.
small
So it is a what?
sir.
Everyone speak. It is a small SS or capital SS. Fastly.
Small sir.
Small SS. Very good. Next. He got married to a person without a mutation in the sickle cell anemia gene. Without a cell means definitely he married a pure. There is no mutation in the sickle cell. There is no mutation means they do not have any kind of anemia. They do not have means definitely they are pure. Capital SS. That is the female one. So this is the wife of a person who is having a anemia. This is a small SS and this is a capital SS. So now they undergoes crossing. What will happen, guys? They undergo crossing. Everybody speak. What is the percentage? Check it, everybody. Capital SS and small SS. So cross. Capital S, small s, capital S, small s, capital S, small s, capital S, small s. So what is the percentage, everybody? Yes, please. What is the percentage? What is the percentage? All dominant is there. Everywhere capital S is there. So what is the percentage, Hari?
0.
0%. So none of them they will be affected with the sickle cell anemia because 0 mutation in the sickle cell anemia gene. So what percentage of the children would have sickle cell anemia? So the crossing. So none of them they will get the sickle cell anemia. Do you all understand, everybody? Please respond, guys.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, that is what. So none of the children would have a sickle cell anemia because there is no wife do not have. He got married a person without a mutation in the sickle cell, so that there is no way of getting the anemia to the babies. Means they become like, you can see the female is like a capital FF and male is like a small FF. So if they will cross, we will get all entire generation, all are dominant only. So there is no kind of recessive one. That is what you have to remember. Is it okay, guys? Please respond. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Others, any doubt you can ask. Mr. Harish, sir, understand? That is. Next,
Yes, sir.
identify the genetic composition of the sickle cell anemia trait in Asha and Ram. Asha and Ram means mother of this baby, the sickle cell baby. Asha and Ram, what is that? Anybody? They are what actually? I said before itself I identified. Both parents, Asha and Ram, they are the pure parents or they are F1 generation, guys? They are pure parents or F1 generation? Mr. Nimish? Pugal? They are F1 generation. So F1 generation means what will happen? They are having one capital F, one small f. So capital S and small s. Is it okay, everyone? Do you understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Others?
Yes, sir.
Anybody, sir, how sir means you have to ask me because they are both parents are F1 generation, so they are crossing. So majority of the children, they do not have a anemia. Only 25% of children only got the anemia. That is what, only one child. So that is why they are having a heterotype, understand, heterozygous dominant gene. That is what you have to remember. I hope you all understand, everybody. So anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Clear, guys? Everyone? See that question looks very tough, but answer is very, very simple. Any problem for anyone? Sanjay, Nimish, Vardhan, understand Adambi? All of you, please respond. Any doubt, you can ask. Understand, Ara?
Yes, sir.
Can I go to next question? So next question I will show you. You can all seize that. So if I have noticed it, this is you will feel very, very tough actually. So this is a sample paper of this year. Last year question I will show you. So you can all notice it. Okay. Hariseras, understand Hariseras? How it is? Please respond. Any problem? So now let me take this question. So here there will be a question. You can notice it. So this is this year sample paper. So by seeing itself, you can understand it. This is a ear question. This is a characteristics. Two types of earlobes we have. I will remember what is the earlobes we have. Most of the members. Attached earlobes, or we are having a, yes please, free earlobes. Everybody? Attached earlobes or free earlobes? We have a free earlobes. Am I right? So this is also one of the important questions. This year they have asked it. So all of you read the first question. What they are saying? You can say. So many questions are there. I'll give you the practice, the sufficient practice. Don't worry. So now see, figure A to B. Again, 4 more question here. So figure A to B given below represent the type of earlobes present in a family consisting of 2 children, Rahul, Nisha, and their parents. So totally how many of them there? Everybody? There are totally 4 now. 2 children and next what? All of you.
2 parents.
Children and 2 parents. Now, Rahul father. Rahul. Rahul mother and Rahul sister Nisha. So totally 4 now. So you can see type of earlobes, attached earlobes and as well as free earlobes. So excited by his observation of different types of earlobes present in his family, Rahul conducted a survey of the type of earlobes found figure E and F in his classmates. He found 2 types of earlobes in his classmates as for the frequency given below. So male, if you have taken, free earlobes is 36 and attached earlobe is 14. Female one is 31 and attached one is 19. So on the basis of above data, answer the following questions. Which of the 2 characteristics, free earlobe or attached earlobe, appears to be dominant in this case and why? Anybody? Which is appears to be dominant? All of you? Already we know free earlobe. Why? Why? How you can say it is a dominant? Anybody? Because majority of the population has been seen what? Free earlobe or attached earlobe? Everybody? Yes, please. Free. So majority of the population is seen by free earlobe. That is why this is dominant one. Next. Is the inheritance of the free earlobe linked with the sex of the individual? Give reasons for your answer. That is what they are asking. Yes, please. What is the question you understand? Is the inheritance of the free earlobe linked with the sex of the individual? Means you can take like father and mother, sex of the individual. Means it is depends on boy, it is depends on girl, like that they're asking. So is it anybody? Is it depends on a sex link? No. Do you understand? So it is not a sex linked one. As for the data, if you observe here, the family as well as the class, it is indicated that free earlobe is present in both males and as well as what? Everybody. Females also having. So is it depends on sex of the organism? Only males it is present or only it is female it is present? Everybody? Please respond. No. So it is not present in males or it is not present in females. It is present in every organism. So it does not linked with the sex of the individual. Are you clear, everybody? Yes, please respond, all of you. Understand, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next. What type of earlobe is present in the father and mother, Rahul and his sister Nisa? Write the genetic constitution of each of these family members, which explains the inheritance of character in this family. So let us see how to write it. Now, first, Rahul father. Rahul father, tell me, free earlobe or attached earlobe? Everybody? Mother and father. Here. Please observe and tell me, guys.
Free earlobe.
Free earlobe. But Rahul got what, Hari? Rahul got
Attached
attached earlobe. That is the first thing. So attached means it is a recessive or dominant. Anybody? It is the recessive. Recessive means, let me take it is the earlobe. So I can choose anything. So your check is a father. So let me take now. Yeah. So what letter you want? Suppose you like your alphabet name, you choose that one. So if you are not understanding this, I cannot do. So it is attached earlobe. So attached earlobe is a recessive or dominant? Everybody. It is the, yes, please. Recessive. So recessive means both are same or different letters. Dominant or sorry, homozygous or heterozygous. It is the
Homozygous.
yes, please. Yes, it is the homozygous. So attached. Let me take it is a small a and small a. Is it okay, guys? All of you? Or else free earlobes is the dominant one. So can I take it as a 1 minute? So can I take it as a small f, small f? It is a free earlobe is a dominant one. So I will take it as a small f, small f. Any problem for anybody? Are you clear, everyone? Yes, please. Now, mother and father. Can you tell me what is the expected genotype? Mother and father.
capital F, small f.
Yes, because a baby is getting a small f means definitely it is not a pure parents. They are F1 generation or F2 generation. They are F1 generation. So means capital F and small f, and Rahul mother also capital F and small f. So if I do the crossing, capital F and small f, next one what will happen? Capital F and small f. So we will get it to what actually? 4 possibilities. So what is the possibilities? capital F, capital F, capital F, small f. Next one, capital F, small f. Next one, small f and small f. So Rahul is a what? What actually Rahul? Small f and small f. Am I right or wrong? Everybody, please respond. So father is capital F, small f. Mother is also capital F, small f. So they are dominant heterozygous or homozygous? They are heterozygous. That is what you have to remember. Mr. Omar, can you able to understand Mr. Omar, Hare Krishna? What they are doing also, I don't know. Okay, next. Rahul's sister got again, Rahul's sister got free earlobes or attached earlobes. Rahul's sister,
3 years.
free earlobes. Understanding? So Rahul's sister, Nisha, so she got free earlobes. So what is the Nisha's free earlobe possibilities? Yes, please. Nisha's, what is the possibilities? Maybe Nisha is having what? Everyone. Nisha maybe,
Capital.
yeah, maybe they are not
Capital.
asking a pure. That is what. So what is the question they are asking? You can see. What is the, yeah, and his sister Nisha. So write the inheritance of characters. So Nisha may be having a what? Everybody, either capital FF or capital F, small f. Any,
Small.
understand? Yes, small f or for capital F. Clear, everybody? Yes. So why they are taking F? They are taking here. Gene for free earlobe is capital F and gene for attached earlobe is represented by small f. So you can take what is the capital letters? Everybody, capital F is indicating free earlobe, small f is indicating represented by the genetic constitution. I hope you all understand, guys. Everybody? Understood, Amma? All of you? Please respond,
Sure.
everybody. So that is
Yes,
what
sir.
it is. So in such a way, you have to understand and you have to do it. Next, or else. Suresh's parents have attached earlobes. Suresh's parents have attached earlobes. Means, what is that? Both parents are having what? Small f and small f and small f and small f. Will you all agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everybody. Because attached earlobe is a what? Dominant or recessive? It is the recessive.
Recessive.
Definitely they are having what? Small f and small f. Anybody not understand, kindly ask me. Hari, take option this list, Hari. I want today to very important. Next, what type of earlobe can be seen in the Suresh and his sister Sia? Render dominant, recessive. Then both babies also what will come? If you cross FF and again FF. So what is the possibilities, guys? Make it quick.
Sir,
Small f, small f, small f, small f, small f, small f. So Suresh also will get what? Small f, and his sister Sia also will get what? Everybody, small f, small f. Because both parents are having the recessive, so that babies also will get what? A recessive
Yes, sir.
character only. That's all it is. So how many mark question? 4 mark question. If you know the concept, I'm saying you correct, it won't take even 4 minutes. That is what is my intention. So please kindly understand, make sure you're doing with the understanding only. So that is the importance of heredity. Concept Purima is very simple. In this question, anybody having doubt, you ask me. There is a most important question in the last year one. That question now, there is no time, that's what I'm saying you. So definitely I will explain you that question, then only I will make it. So it's okay, then we have an exam, middle exam. So that's the reason from tomorrow I will go with the revision. Then only I will teach you. Definitely one day, full day will offline class will solve the heredity questions. I hope you all are comfortable. Everybody understand, Mr. Hari Sairas, are you getting the idea how to solve? Time is very important for heredity
Yes,
question.
sir.
Definitely you'll be having a 4 mark or 5 mark question. So, but you have to understand, imagination is very important. Once again, I'm saying there is almost 2 minutes. If it is the pure, all of you remember, if it is the recessive, the one and only possibility is both alphabets are small letters. Either it is a capital FF, small FF, or small a, whatever you choose. Because here, why we have to choose capital F and small f? Because they have given. Recessive means always homozygous. Please remember, homozygous, no other possibility. One and only character possibility is small letters, both are. If it is the dominant one, we have a 2 possibilities. That is homozygous means both are capital F, heterozygous means capital F, small f. So these are the only 2 possibilities for dominant trait. If you remember this, none can stop you to get the 4 mark in heredity chapter. 100% 4 mark question will come, or 5 mark question. Definitely it will be there in our board exam also. So kindly practice it. I hope you all understand. Many questions I'm having, many questions will practice it. Now there is no time for me, so that's what I'm leaving you. So kindly get back and practice this question, and that that anemia question also, please kindly once again you practice. Already you are having the papers, but follow the marking scheme means you will never get answer. You should learn what way we have to do it, crossing. Mind always you have to make it everything clear. Okay, guys? So please go through that and do it. And then we'll continue in the tomorrow's class. Okay. So thank you, everybody. We'll meet in tomorrow. I hope you all understand what is happening. So please work out. Get back to the work immediately. Don't sleep.